Fruity Pebbles cookies. Take one. We're actually using the cereal, the Fruity Pebbles. That's where we're going with this. So I have 1 cup of butter in here, which is 2 sticks, room temperature. And room temperature right now is 75 degrees. It's nice. Nice, nice, nice. And 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of just granulated sugar. And we're going to mix all that up. Because that's what we're doing. I've never had these before, so if you guys had the Fruity Pebbles cookies, let us know. Or I think I might try the Lucky Charms ones too. Weather in your area been nice and warm like it has here? We just had a nice big rainstorm though. But looks like the sun's trying to come back out. We haven't had 70s for a long time. In the last 2 or 3 days it's been 70. Billy was out working on his tractor yesterday. Got it running. It's been down all winter. So he got it running. Now he wants to go play, but he can't because we got swamps out in our yard.
Yep, had to replace the motor in it.
And now he can't play. He can play up and down the driveway. Don't have a turnaround. You go down 23 and get it, bro. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, got it all mixed up in there. Now we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Just a basic cookie recipe. And 2 eggs. Bloop, bloop. And give that a little mixy mix. And now we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of soda, 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Going in. Mix that all up a little bit. Guys, do you measure your flour as in just the cup, or do you measure it in grams? I always do it by the cup, but I measured it in grams this time. I'm going to see what happens, if anything. It was a little less because I did take a cup and then I poured it onto the scale, and what I had in the cup was a little more than what the scale should be saying. So we'll try it. They say you get a better, precise cookie doing measuring in grams. So,
This is that much difference though.
Some people say so. Some people are really picky on it, but you know, and it depends on the weather. Like I say, it's rainy here.
We're not picky here.
Nah, we'll see how it goes.
Slap it together. If it tastes good, we're good to go.
I do recipes.
I don't.
He does not.
I just make up stuff and make it.
And so I have 1 cup of the Fruity Pebbles going in.
Won't that beat them up?
Yeah, it'll be all right.
Oh.
It adds color all throughout.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, got that all mixed up. So now we're going to pause because I got to get some more out and crunch them up, and we'll be right back. All right, I chopped up some of the cereal right there. So we're just going to take a scoop out. We'll put her on there. And we're just going to roll it in it. Like that. They smell nice and fruity. Can you believe I've never eaten Fruity Pebble cereal before?
I'm pretty sure I have.
It smells like Fruit Loops. Now, I've eaten Fruit Loops because they can stay crunchy. These, I'm pretty sure, would get soggy, so that wouldn't be my thing.
Well, you don't leave them in the milk long enough to get soggy.
I say, plus, mine probably wouldn't get soggy anyway, because if I eat cereal, I don't put much milk in it anyway. I'd rather eat my cereal dry.
Oof.
Frosted Wheats, dry. Honey Nut Cheerios, dry. Life cereal.
Captain Crunch, Lucky Charm.
We're going to put 6 on here, and then we're going to bake them at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. We'll see. We'll let you know. There's that. I'm going to clean this off of this here. I'm sticking them in the oven, and we'll be back when they come out. All right, just took them out of the oven, 375 for 8 minutes in my oven. This is what they look like.
They smell delicious.
So we're going to let them cool a little bit, and then we're going to do some little fancy stuff on top too. So we'll be back. All right, here we go. We're going to start doing a little bit of deco on them. I just melted some almond bark here. We're going to put a little bit on top.
Well, ain't that pretty?
And we're not done. We're going to put a little bit of more Fruity Pebbles on there. Put that chocolate on there so this will hold it in place.
Well.
Yeah. And then, I always put a little bit more. That's how I usually do all my cookies and cream cookies. I'll put some Oreo on there, and then I'll put a little more chocolate on top, or almond bark, as you want to say. There's what they look like.
They look good.
And I will say we have already tasted them. So they are good. They were delicious. So let me get you this. Instead of cutting into one of those cookies, I've got a piece of one right here where we already put the chocolate on it. So crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside.
Just how you want them. That'll give you a sugar rush.
Yeah, so good, guys. Kids will love these too. Billy said kids. I said adults love them. But I love cookies.
So you think the wrestlers will like them? She's making them some for the big wrestling event next Saturday in Chillicothe, March 14th.
We are working the concession stand for Bobby Fulton, which is part of the 80s group, the Fantastics. So we're pretty good friends with him, and he asked to see if we would work the concession for him. So we're going to go there on March 14th. Chillicothe, OSU, Shoemaker Center. Come and join us. Arr.
All-day event.
Arr. So he said that he's having the wrestlers catered meal, and if I wanted to, I could bring some of the desserts, because I said I want to promote my channel, and he said bring the wrestlers some desserts. I said sounds good to me. And Bobby's had plenty of ours, because I always took him stuff. Peanut butter fudge is his favorite. He loves that. So I'm going to make some of that, and all the cookies I'm making, I'm freezing the dough. I'm going to pull it out, make them on Friday. They're going to have all kinds of stuff. So here we go, guys. If you guys, anybody on here is going to that wrestling event, let me know. You'll see us there.
Yep, we'll be running the concession stand.
Yeah, come and say hello. I might try to do a couple videos while I'm there. I don't know if we will be able to or not, but we're going to try to do a little bit of something. So guys, if you like this video, comment, share, hit the like button, hit the hype button. Cheryl is our biggest cheerleader on that. She tells everybody to hype us, and we love it. And her. So, peace out, guys, from Biker Baker and Mr. Smith, and we'll see you next time. Fruity Pebbles cookies.
Later, Gators.